welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy, and today we are going to be talking about why the last week of your contract is hard. I'm on the last week of my contract. Oh my god, the last week. It is a surreal feeling to know that I have 1 week left. But anyway, we're going to talk about why it is difficult. And the first reason is because the last week, or the last 2 weeks, doesn't go fast enough. Oh my god, like, it is going so slow this last 2 weeks. I think because you know the end is near. I don't know why, but yeah, it's just going too slow. I mean, the days are longer, work feels longer, which is nice, but at the same time I'm like, no, because I just want to go home now. Like, I'm ready to go home, and it just feels like time is stood still. So that's super frustrating, that it's just like it's in slow-mo and there's nothing I can do to speed it up. Everything is frustrating. So I have been on board for a long time. I'm not even going to work it out. I've been on board for a few months, let's say. More than 7. And I'm tired. And I've said before, I work not very much compared to other departments. But I do work every day. I am tired. I know I'm going home soon. I'm ready to go home, which means if I stub my toe, I am going to have a mental breakdown. Like, everything is frustrating. The smallest thing is triggering. And I stubbed my toe the other day and I cried. I'm not a crier. Like, I just don't cry. But I cried because I stubbed my toe, and everyone was like, oh my god, are you okay? And I was like, it's the end of my contract. I stubbed my toe. Like, I don't know, crazy, crazy, crazy. And like, if someone says something to you, maybe they're just being sarcastic, maybe they're taking the piss out of you, but I want to strangle you because I'm at the end of my contract and I just have no wit, I have no sarcasm, I have no humour, I have no patience left. Like, honestly, I'm a misery guts because I am just so ready to be at home and be with my parents and in my own bed. Oh my god, the shower. Oh, I'm just so excited, like, as you can tell. And although I will be really sad to go, I can't wait, to be honest. I cannot wait. But yeah, everything is just super frustrating. Everything is getting on my nerves. And it's funny, isn't it, like, how when your mindset changes, you become more in tune to everything shit that happens. Not shit, but like, because I'm aware that I'm annoyed by everything at the moment. I don't know why that's why I'm finding everything annoying, or whether it's because I am actually tired, and I don't know, maybe I'm not making any sense. And that's another thing, I'm not making any sense. I mean, my god, the amount of gibberish I've been talking recently, because my brain's just not working. I'm just not here. Honestly, I am signed off. I am at home already. It's like I say, I can't remember, I was talking to a sailor last night at work, and then he asked me for directions to the bathroom. I was like, and I literally like, I was like, I meant go right. Really weird, really, really weird. So, speaking gibberish, no patience, everything's frustrating. This week is going so slow. And then also, like, this is the time where you literally don't want to do anything. I am filming a video, but I want to be in bed sleeping. I don't want to go out in port. I don't want to do anything. But this is the busiest time of your contract. Even though it's the time where you want to do the least. It's the busiest because everyone's like, oh my god, you're going this embarkation day. We need to do something. We need to go out for dinner. We need to go out in port together. We need to do this together. And I'm like, I've been here for months. Oh. And like on previous contracts, I would be like, yeah, we do. We need to have a last dinner. We need to have a, you know, and I would like make the effort to do those last things. But I'm like, no, I'm not doing it. You've had months. Like, not, and the thing is as well, this is very different to other contracts. Like, on other ships, there was a lot of people I would leave, and I was like, I'm probably never going to see you again. So you do make the effort to do those last minute things. However, on here, the majority of people that I'm working with, I'm going to see again, because at the moment Virgin is a very small company, or Virgin Voyages is a very small company. There's only, well, there will only be 3 ships. So the likelihood is I am going to see all of these people again. So I'm not going to break my neck to go out in port with you, because I'm just not. I'm just at that stage. So of course, yes, you make the effort with all of these people that realise you're leaving, but also you have to pack. You have to pack up your life that you've created for yourself for the past 6 to 9 months. You have to pack up the cabin, you have to clean the cabin, you have to make sure everything's signed off. Like, there's, oh my god, even thinking about it, I'm like, I have not started packing yet. I haven't even started organising anything yet, because honestly, I just can't handle it. So as well as packing and getting your life together, you have to go out with people and do all the last minute things. But then there's also all the emotions that you feel. Now, it's mostly frustration. That's like the most dominant emotion, but it is, you're really excited because you're going home, but you're also sad because you're leaving this place that you've lived for the past 9 months. You know, you're happy because you're gonna see your friends from home soon, but you're sad because you're leaving these friends that you've made. And it's like a real whirlwind of emotions. And obviously that takes a lot of your energy. And then also there's just work. Like, you will have to do all of this around working. You're still working even though you're mentally checked off. So it is like a draining time at the end of your contract. And the thing is with leaving a cruise ship, like, people are like, oh, but you're gonna go back to Scarlet or Valiant. And I'm like, yes, but with a cruise ship, the cogs are always moving. So although I may come back here, or Scarlet or Resilient, wherever, I will never be back here with exactly the same people, exactly the same circumstances. Like, that just won't happen. So you may not be saying goodbye to the ship you're on, because you may come back there, but you definitely are saying goodbye to the people and the circumstances that are now. Because even if you come back in 2 months, it won't be the same. And then there's all the kerfuffle of flying home, and when you get home everyone's really excited to see you, but you're really of mixed emotion because you're excited to see them, but you're also really tired and really sad that you've just left other people behind. So it's a hard time. It's a really hard time. And honestly, I think I'm gonna pack in Ibiza, which is the last day, the day before I fly home, because I'm just not feeling it. I'm really not. The thought of packing everything is just a bit too much for me to handle at the moment. And like today, we're in Toulon, beautiful port. I'm not going to get off. I'm still in my pyjamas, and I will probably stay in my pyjamas all day because, as I said, I'm tired, I'm frustrated, done with all the bullshit, I'm ready to go home. Obviously I have work this evening, so I will get dressed for that, maybe. But yeah, it's an interesting time. It's a lot of emotions, a lot of stuff to do. Yeah, a chapter of your life is ending. A chapter of my life is ending. So it's weird. But the goodbyes are really difficult on other cruise ships. I say on other cruise ships because, as I said, on this one, the goodbyes are literally going to be see you later, because I will see the majority of these people in a few months. But on other ships, like, it's a real strange thing to say goodbye to someone and know that you're never going to see them again. And they say what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and it definitely has. I'm definitely more resilient, especially when it comes to saying goodbye to people. But my God, when you have to say goodbye to someone who you've become really close to, and you know that you're probably never going to see them again. It's like a death. It's awful. It really is terrible. So I really feel for you guys if you're going through that right now, because I have been there with my friend Shasha from China. She was quitting ships. She was from the middle of nowhere in China, and I was like, you know what, as much as I love you, maybe I'll see you once again in my life. Hopefully. It has been 5 years and I still haven't seen her, so yeah, it's awful. It's really awful to say goodbye to someone and know that you're never going to see them again. So it's okay if you get angry, it's okay if you cry, it's okay if you want to kill people. As long as you don't kill people, that's, you know, that's obviously an important thing. But it's, you know, if you're like, why do I hate everybody? It's a completely normal feeling, to be quite honest. You've worked your ass off for months, so it is okay if you are just done with all the bullshit, because you're going soon. So, but anyway, sorry for that ramble of a video, but I just wanted to kind of talk about the last week and why it is a little bit difficult. A lot difficult, actually. But anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, then press the like button. Thank you so much for watching and for your continued support on this channel. I appreciate it more than you know. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, whatever you decide to do. And as always, I will see you in the next video, where I will probably be packing. So, Ibiza.